RoboNexus is a national robotics program initiative designed to support promising robotics companies in Singapore. Started as a pilot batch in 2024, 6 pioneering companies embark on an 18-month program with tailored mentorship, funding guidance, and strategic partnerships to accelerate their growth. The goal: to nurture Singapore's robotics champions and build a strong, thriving ecosystem.
When we looked at successful global robotics ecosystems around the world, we found that they shared several commonalities. One of which is the existence of a group of companies which become the faces of their ecosystem. So when these companies come together, through their own growth and through their own success, they create a multiplier effect for others in the ecosystem to rise as well.
The RoboNexus Advisory Board brings together distinguished leaders from public sector agencies and private sector venture capitalists. Through the 18 months, they will work alongside selected RoboNexus companies, positioning them for global success.
The robotics market is more like a winner-takes-all market. In order to be successful, we need to dominate the market in that segment.
We have a lot of experience looking at robotics company in China. What they have done was successful. These are the lessons we can share with the RoboNexus companies.
We would be able to help on the business side, making not just introductions, but warm connections to potential partners, customers, and investors.
Singapore has a strong reputation for IP protection, and we believe that robotic companies need to be in a place where it's safe for them to do their product development.
I have to say I was pleasantly surprised by the quality of our companies. I think we're going to find 1 or 2 global champions in there.
I actually get really excited about what kind of new occupations can emerge when people are freed from doing mundane and tedious work. Kabam Robotics focuses on security and surveillance robots and robot connectivity technology. The endorsement of RoboNexus gave us a lot of legitimacy early on when we were a very young company. RoboNexus has provided research collaborations with ARTC, where we worked on cutting-edge technologies that align with our commercial goals.
I think robots can change the world because they can take on dull, difficult and dangerous jobs. At Spin-Off Robotics, we are reimagining how dangerous work-at-height jobs will be performed in the future. Our drone technology is a research outcome supported through NRP, and the RAB really helps guide us through the complexity of scaling a robotic startup and boosting our confidence to commercialize this technology.
Robotics developed the world's first modular robot. It's not just a single function robot. It can do different functionalities depending on our customers' needs. So as a startup, we have limited resources, but we have big dreams. RoboNexus is able to help us in R&D matching with the relevant agency to help us achieve what we want to do.
RoboNexus is about tailoring support that you need and guiding you along the path. A good example is the recent RoboNexus trip to Silicon Valley. We got access to top university researchers, we got to see behind the scenes, we get to talk in depth with top decision makers in companies. In fact, our Lions Board future plan for 26, 27 and beyond, a lot of it drew inspiration from this trip.
So far we have received a tremendous amount of support and mentorship from RoboNexus. The team at RoboNexus has introduced us to a global logistics company with several facilities here in Singapore, which obviously is a huge opportunity for us. Singapore has a mindset of merit and innovation, which in turn fosters technological advancements and allows companies like us to develop robotic solutions much faster than anywhere in the world.
Robotics is going to be an economic driver in the Singapore industry. RoboNexus allows us to engage directly at the national level through the NRP. It's unique in the sense that it gives us a platform to voice our requirements, to be able to not only help each other network, but also reinforce the idea that robotics is going to be a significant industrial contributor.
NRP has funded more than 50 projects over the years. They provide opportunities for aspiring roboticists to gain confidence and cut their teeth.
We are looking for companies with the ambition to be global champions and who believe that they can build something made in Singapore for the world.
We may be a little red dot called Singapore, but we punch above our weight. We know being a robotics entrepreneur is not easy. RoboNexus is here to help. We are the Singapore National Robotics Program. We have the whole of Singapore behind you.